Hey guys, you want Viral Kids photos? Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. For more updates, first we open Google and search my website. Then click on Kids Prompts article. You will see too much prompts are available, so you copy any prompt as you like. Then open Google Gemini application and click on Create Image option. And then click on plus icon. We open gallery and add one photo. Then paste prompt in a box and click send button. And wait for a second, your amazing Viral Kids photos are ready. Don't forget to subscribe.